Hey guys, in this digest, what's up with those ventilators, Autopilot and Sentry mode updates, and Starship SN3 test failure? About Tesla. Unfortunately, coronavirus isn't going anywhere. One Gigafactory worker has been tested positive. Tesla is ready to use its logistics network to deliver ventilators to hospitals that are running short. Musk emphasizes that the company has only one requirement: the ventilators have to go straight to critical patients and not stored in a warehouse for later use. Media outlets have been criticizing Elon for providing useless BiPAP machines, which are non-invasive, while only invasive ventilators are needed. The state of New York is buying the same machines, though. Elon said all hospitals got manuals beforehand, and all of them confirmed this equipment is critical. Tesla also uploaded a video showing how they make ventilators out of car parts. Cool, huh? Let's switch to medicine and go back to electric cars. Elon Musk promised to present Model S Plaid with 3 engines this summer, but now he says the update became too complicated and they need to simplify it. We don't really know what it means, but if Model S Plaid is not ready, we're sure it's not going to come out when promised, which is not really surprising, I guess. Musk said that Tesla fleet will be able to react to traffic lights and stop signs in the US in just few weeks, but for other markets, it will take months to adapt, and the feature will be released in Q3. Speaking of updates, now Tesla owners can watch safe dashcam clips or Sentry mode videos directly from the touchscreen. Before that, the owners had to plug a USB drive into their computer to watch the clips they've saved. Meanwhile, as of March 31st, there are 622,000 Cybertruck pre-orders. This is not official, the Cybertruck Owners Club keeps count of orders. There were also rumors that Tesla changed the Cybertruck design, with the render no less, but it was an April Fool's joke. Lots of media outlets believed it though. By the way, we have an awesome April Fool's video with Elon Musk's best jokes. Check it out. All in all, Tesla Q1 results aren't that bad considering the situation in the world. During the first 3 months of 2020, Tesla delivered 88,400 cars and produced over 102,000 cars. As for the previous quarter, the company produced 105,000 cars and delivered 112,000, but still, this is Tesla's most successful first quarter. In Iceland, Tesla became the best-selling car brand, but demand keeps falling. The company sent out a message to future rear-wheel drive Model Y owners, saying they should be ready for the start of deliveries. Drag Times channel tested Model Y and it appears to have a more powerful powertrain than the Model 3 despite the fact that they're both supposed to have the same one. Model 3 and Model Y supposedly share more than 75% of their parts. Model Y was supposed to be produced so easily because it shares the same platform with Model 3. And still, the test showed the cars deliver the same power in the beginning, and then Model Y starts giving out more power and maintains it for longer periods of time. How so? Maybe Tesla limited Model 3's power and can unlock this feature. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section. About Tesla Energy. Hawaiian Electric, an energy supplier from Hawaii, wants to install energy storage systems on Oahu for load shifting and energy supply in case of a power outage. Tesla's in the running for installing 244 Megapacks. Yeah, you heard it right. It's going to be an 810 megawatt-hour system. For comparison, the biggest battery in the world was also installed by Tesla in southern Australia, and its capacity is 129 megawatt-hours. If Tesla is going to do this project, installation will start next March. It will cost approximately $200 to $300 million. Speaking of insane prices, Tesla has revealed the price of a single Powerpack, and it's $172,000. However, the price makes sense if you count federal tax credit and a discount for ordering in bulk. It seems really expensive, but in the end the price is starting to look good. Can you imagine what the Megapack price is? SpaceX. SpaceX tested slide wire baskets for crew egress system at LC-39A launch pad. In case of emergency before the demo to mission launch, these baskets will help the crew to get to an armored vehicle. Each basket can carry 3 people to safety. Astronauts unstrap from the Dragon vehicle quickly, in less than 90 seconds. These kinds of tests are necessary before the flight that is going to happen in 2 months. What's next? After Demo 2 mission, NASA pointed a series of regular flights to the station following NASA certification of the new crewed system. During the first crewed flight, Shannon Walker will join Michael Hopkins, Victor Glover, and Soichi Noguchi. The first flight is planned for the end of this year. This mission to ISS will last 6 months. Meanwhile, a cargo Dragon came home from the CRS-20 mission. It was its last journey. Have a nice retirement, buddy. If you like explosions, Starship SN3 news will bring you joy because it was destroyed during cryo testing. Upper tank with nitrogen was tested after a successful oxygen tank test, but it did not bear the pressure. The prototype deformed, and the upper part collapsed onto the lower one. It wasn't just an engineering mistake, but a wrong test configuration. But there are good news as well. The SN3 engine is safe and sound and can partially be used in the next prototype. See, the rocket has not launched yet, but it's already reusable. The fourth prototype is coming soon. The upper part is almost ready. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you watched our previous video, and if you didn't, you really should go check it out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.